Hi traders, it's Jay with thetraderinstitute.com. Just want to remind everyone that futures, forex, and options trading is risky and you can lose money. Therefore, you should only trade with risk capital. Please consult your financial advisor or investment professional before making any investments in futures, forex, or options. No guarantee of income or solicitation of futures, forex, or options or any other financial instrument is being made in these videos.
Okay, so levels on Monday, May the 2nd, performed pretty good. Morning Abdullah. 57 obviously became the line in the sand, as we were talking about in the Asian session. As I said, I expected the upside action to be contained below 65 or maximum 74, and that's essentially what happened. I was off by one level. It went to 2076.75, just poked through it, and then after the close it's basically been sideways, bounced a few times off 2074 quarter. So from about the time of the London Open, we went up from 2057 half and basically played around our levels of 61, and prior to the US Open we made it up to 2065. To 2065.75, and nice move down from there right after the Open. Didn't quite get to 61. We came right back up to 20, so there was about 4 points there. And then we came back up to 65.75 again, and again went back down to test that 60 level. And so it there was about 5 points on the second time, and then the market, you could tell it really stalled there at 60 quarter and 61, and back up to our level at 65. Finally broke through and got to 68.75, and we basically made a little double top there, and then back down. Could not get back down to 61. It was really a choppy day yesterday in terms of no real trend until the U.S. afternoon, but even with the chop, there were many bounces for 4 or 5 points or more off our levels, particularly off of 2065.75 and off 2068.75. And then finally in the afternoon we got above 65.75 again, and then finally broke 68.75, and that took us to 74 quarter as expected, our black line. And then it looks like it just popped a little bit further up to 2076.75. In terms of the levels, I actually don't see much change needed at this time. I would expect that we're probably downside action will be contained above 2057 half. The next level up we have is 2080 quarter and then 87 quarter. So those are the two levels above that I'd be looking for. Going into Tuesday, we do have some more levels above should we continue higher, but I think we will be that we should be maintained below 2087 quarter. To the downside, 2057 quarter I think is a major level, and still 65.75.